Hey, what's up? This is Israel from IsraelNavarro.com. Back with you guys here with another Instagram Live. If you're watching this replay on YouTube, Facebook, on whatever platform, I want to say hello and thank you for joining me. Well, today's topic is going to be very interesting. It's going to be very good. It's about the guided meditation on self-esteem. Yes, and why am I talking with this? Well, I'm going to share this topic with you because it's been something I have struggled with it in the past. As a human, as a person, I think we all have our struggles. We all have our challenges. It's something I have struggled with. It is something that other people struggle with. And, what is self-esteem if you don't know? Self-esteem is how you feel and value yourself. How do you value yourself? How you see yourself? If you see yourself as the sexiest person alive, or you see yourself as the most ugliest person alive. Whatever it is, but it's the way you see yourself. And look, I'm not afraid to come here and share this with you guys. I've struggled with it. It's been a challenge for me. There's days where, I feel like shit and I don't want to look at myself in the mirror. And there's other days I'm just so happy. I'm smiling and I'm grateful to be alive. But here's the thing. You got to get yourself out of that state of mind. And you just can't let yourself be consumed. And especially I know that, something that does affect me and my self-esteem, and I'm gonna get very vulnerable with you, but it's when you have a lot of respect, admiration for a person, and they treat you like shit back, and you're just saying, like, what is wrong with me? Like, what am I doing wrong? And you know what? I have to learn it's that person. It is not me. But, I work on myself and I make myself present. This is great for your business. And if you're not an entrepreneur or a business person, this is great for you as well. Why is meditation a very powerful tool for you to help your self-esteem? It's simple. It's a powerful and transformative way to clear your mind, make you focus on what you value, makes you see you as you get rid of I think it's one of the fastest way to detoxify your body. It's something that I have focused on, on working on getting myself to be better with. It's 100% true. This is something I do. The other thing, when you do meditation, always going to clear your mind that you can do anything. It's going to make you see how great you are. It's going to make you see how talented you are. It's going to make you see what is more important in life. And we got to do those things, people. We got to do it, and we got to do these things because it's going to help us be better. And that's what it is. So how are you going to do a guided meditation? Well, one of the few things, something that I have done, and one of the things I do helps me out is just doing breathing exercises where you go in through the nose, out through your mouth. And just do that for 10 minutes. Put my phone on Do Not Disturb. I take off my Apple Watch. I leave anything that can distract me completely off of me. So I don't have no distraction. I get in a comfortable position. If I'm in a chair, I find that position in a chair where I'm comfortable. I'm not feeling no pain in my body. But most of the times I look to lay down on the floor or on my bed and just do these breathing exercises until I'm done. And through those breathing exercises, I start thinking of what I'm grateful for. What am I blessed for? What am I good for? And I take those 10 minutes to do that. The other thing you can do is obviously if you there's too much noise and you want to block everything out, you can put your headphones on and just put soothing, relaxing music. I think I know on Spotify they have a playlist called Peaceful Meditation. You can take that time and just listen to that meditation. Listen to those vibrations. Listen to everything, and then you'll see yourself. You will relax. And the other thing, if you don't have the self-control or the discipline to do it yourself, there's beautiful apps on the app stores where you can just go and listen to someone in your ear telling you, hey, okay, put yourself in this relaxed position. Relax. Breathe. In your nose, out your mouth. And you can do those apps if that helps you. But the thing is, we have to take time to take care of ourselves. It's a challenge I faced on my own. It's not an easy thing to do, But if you're watching this video, it's because you recognize you got to make the changes and you got to improve yourself. And I want to congratulate you for doing that. So, guys, if you want help, or besides meditating, you want to talk to someone, I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you guys, and you guys can talk to me. I'll be glad to help you guys out. I'll be glad to listen to you guys and give you my input. So thank you once again for listening to me. Thank you once again for being here with me on this Instagram Live. Remember, if you guys want to know how to make money on Instagram, just look at the link is in my bio or in the comment section below, and I'll help you out further from there. Thank you so much. Take care, and God bless you. See you guys tomorrow.